Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Ailun 3-pack screen protector for iPhone 15 Pro Max, which measures 6.7 inches. This package not only includes screen protectors, but also comes with 3 camera lens protectors. They are designed with an installation frame, offer sensor protection, and are compatible with the dynamic island and most cases. It's a tempered glass film that promises to enhance the durability and usability of your device. You can find this essential tech accessory on Amazon. The Ailun screen protector is known for its high transparency and touch sensitivity, ensuring a seamless user experience. With easy installation and bubble-free application, it's a must-have for every iPhone 15 Pro Max owner. Let's delve into the features of the Ailun screen protector. This product has been crafted to ensure maximum protection and compatibility. The tempered glass film is designed to be case-friendly and seamlessly works with the iPhone's new dynamic island feature. The installation frame included in the pack makes it super easy to apply without any bubbles. The screen protector not only protects the main display, but with the camera lens protector, it ensures your photos remain crisp and clear while protecting the lens from scratches. Additionally, it boasts anti-fingerprint and anti-glare properties, keeping your screen clean and visible in any light. Plus, its shatterproof quality ensures your screen stays intact, even in accidental drops. For those interested in purchasing the Ailun screen protector, it's readily available on Amazon. This makes it easy to obtain, ensuring that protecting your iPhone 15 Pro Max is just a few clicks away. Whether you're looking to safeguard your phone's screen or keep the camera lens scratch-free, this product offers a practical and accessible solution. With numerous positive reviews, customers have praised its durability and ease of installation. You can choose from various purchasing options, including single packs and multi-packs, to suit your needs. Plus, with competitive pricing, it's an affordable way to keep your device in pristine condition. Now that you know where to get your Ailun screen protector, let's walk through the installation process to ensure you achieve a flawless application. First, make sure your hands are clean and dry. Use the provided cleaning wipes to clean the screen of your iPhone 15 Pro Max. Follow with the microfiber cloth to remove any residue. Use the dust removal stickers to pick up any tiny particles. Peel off the protective layer from the screen protector. Align the protector with your phone's edges and place it onto the screen. Use the applicator tool to smooth out any air bubbles. And there you have it. Your iPhone 15 Pro Max is now protected and looking brand new. Like and subscribe for more tips and tech reviews. Thanks for watching.